Hi everybody and welcome back to the hard reset info channel. In today's video I'm going to answer the question, why does your SOUNDCORE Select 2S speaker keep disconnecting from your phone or tablet or PC or any device? At first, try to charge your speaker up to 100%, because the issue may be that your battery is very low. If it did help you, that's nice, but if it didn't, you have to do a hard reset. At first, forget the device on your phone or any other device, and then do a hard reset by holding this plus and the Bluetooth button at the same time simultaneously for 4 seconds. Now a hard reset is done. It should help you. But if it didn't help you, you have to contact device support because your device may be broken. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!